Today we are looking at the YX-1 microphone kit. I am recording this narration with the YX-1 USB microphone. In the package, you get a whole bunch of accessories for the YX-1 USB microphone, including a metal arm and a pop filter. Right now, we're going to be doing a test of the awesome microphone using Audacity for the Mac. To get this microphone set up on a Mac, you want to hit the Apple icon on the top left. Then go to System Preferences. Then from System Preferences, click on the sound icon. It'll be right here. And then you'll see the YX-1. And make sure it's working once you plug it in. Hello, hello, hello. You will see the little dots start to move left and right. And you'll want to adjust it however you want. You can make it super sensitive to where it picks up a lot from far away. Or you can make it less sensitive to where you have to get closer before it'll pick up any noise. Once that is taken care of, we are going to open up Audacity, full screen it, and make sure the YX-1 is your selected microphone. Now let the recording begin. Hello everyone, it is I, Joshua from History and Reviews. So nice to see you. Today we are doing a test of the YX-1 USB microphone. And then we'll do a little playback. Hello everyone, it is I, Joshua from History and Reviews. So nice to see you. Today we are doing a test of the YX-1 USB microphone. And then we'll do another test from the side. Hello, it is I, Joshua from History and Reviews, and now I am doing a side-to-side recording for the YX-1 USB microphone. It is supposed to be a unidirectional microphone, and I'm just going to see if it actually does pick up every side of the microphone. Now, the microphone itself does sound good, but I have noticed there's a staticky electrical interference type noise, and as you can see, my cord doesn't wrap around anything to interfere with it. It just goes straight into my Mac Pro 2013, so I don't know if that's a built-in problem with this microphone or if it's something with my computer, the drivers, because everything's usually developed for Windows first, so it's most compatible with Windows first, and Mac is more of an afterthought for a lot of these things. But I have had other microphones like the USB Blue Yeti that I've had no issues with on my Mac. Then again, that is a name brand and this is not, so keep that in mind. It's a step up if you're using a gooseneck, one of those sit it on there and 3.5mm plug into your headphone jack microphones that sound really awful. It's a step up from that, and it comes with a lot of things: pop filter, wind muff, metal arm microphone, and USB cable. So it is a step up from a lot of microphones, but if you have a choice between this and the Yeti, go for the Yeti. This is a great sounding microphone though. It's just that staticky is going to be a pain to edit out, and if you cannot edit it out, you're going to be in trouble with your videos. Anyway, this is Josh from History and Reviews. Thank you for watching.